I figured I would do a quick review of the Phantom 38 by North Face, because I haven't found a single proper review on YouTube. And there it is. And we're working with 38 liters, as I already mentioned, with a bunch of ways of fixing your stuff. I don't really know myself how some of this is supposed to work. Just really quickly, this is what it looks like. Very light, very, very light. It's slightly see-through. There's also a pocket on top and a pocket in the belt in here. This is a very small pocket. You couldn't even put your phone in there, not gonna lie. Very padded. On the back too, on the shoulders. You can tighten the shoulders here. You can fix a bunch of stuff on the sides, like your walking sticks. It has guards for your ice axe, which you can put in here on both sides. The strap is very long for whatever reason. It can go all the way down here. Like my whole arm fits inside of the bag. There's space for a bladder. There's 2 compartments, one for the bladder, any miscellaneous stuff. And then the big part, which is just basically everything. I'll probably show y'all how I pack my bag, like the upcoming hike, if anyone is interested in that. And then you can just fix it up, go put this back down. It's a very simplistic bag, very light. I'm not gonna lie, I'll show you the size comparison in comparison to the Borealis Classic, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Obviously it's not like, there's nothing inside, so yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this is heavier than this big bag. That might sound ridiculous, but there's some straps for climbing gear here on the sides. But yeah, this is it.